in biomedical engineering. So we'll have a little only 5 to 10 minutes valedictory session. So I request few participants to give their feedback. You can unmute your video as well as audio and give your feedback. Anyone, you can start.
Hello, madam. I am Rabil Guhoroy from Jharkhand, the Vinoba Bhave University Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science Department, and I'm also the researcher in NIT Durgapur. And so this FDP is very good FDP, and you are organized a very good teamwork also. And I think one of the faculty are missing in Wednesday or Thursday in first half. Name is Ajit something. He
Yes,
also
sir.
is joined. If he also joined, then it's very good also. And otherwise, is a very good and informative IFDP. And thank you for the AICT and also the AICT Hotel. I think association were associate with, and also you and your team also. And thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Sir, one more I would like to tell that on Wednesday we missed Rajesh Abraham sir's
Yes,
session
yes, yes.
because
Yeah.
he got infected with COVID. So
Okay, okay, okay.
he could not able to join. So
Okay,
as
okay.
per AICT norms, we have conducted one UHV programs.
Yes, yes, yes. I know, I know. Is a
Uh,
get well soon, sir. Also get
yes.
well soon.
Thank
Obviously.
you very
Thank you.
much. Thank you,
Welcome.
sir. Thank you. So anybody else is in the chat box? So many of them are giving in good program and all. So kindly, if any one or two. Good.
Yeah. Ma'am, I am Madhusudan Mishra. I'm from I'm working as an assistant in the Department of Electronics and Communication in the United States. So from last year, I have been
Your sound is not clear, I think.
Sir, your audio is not clear.
It is getting echoed.
Yeah. But just I want to tell you that the program was very super and it was a great learning experience. And like the talk of person from IIT Guwahati now at IIT. So that was good. And some additional programs which you have kept, like the program stress management and the program on today's first session that so that also aids to before machine learning, data learning, and those things. So I really very gratefully like to acknowledge my sincere thanks to you all, sir. So thank you very much. I'm from your thank I'm looking forward to all. So, thank you, sir, and ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Anyone else? Any other participant?
Hello, can you hear me?
Good evening, sir.
One, sir, one by one. Now, Professor Kulkarni, sir, yeah.
Yeah. I liked the entire session deliveries. All the experts were also expert in their own domain. They gave a very good presentation. Somewhere I felt it like this, that since many of the queries that they received from the audience side was more on how could they tackle some of the problems at their end. So everyone was looking for getting some solution from the speakers. However, the speakers were expert in their own domain. Few of the speakers very frankly said it. I like that part, that I am not the expert into the area, and I might not be in a position to give you the explanation for this. I like that part also. However, there has to be a session indicating that these queries being all raised by the different participants. At the end, I mean, prior to the validatory, we should have taken up a panel discussion. We should have taken up a session indicating that these being the queries, we looked at over the week, and we could give them some of the ideas for a solution to their problem. Or there could be something related to saying that there are certain research areas available, there are something that extensions available, and that could be also brought to the notice of all the participants. For the simple reason that this FDP program, STTP program sponsored by AICTE should not only give some idea or information to the current participant, they must motivate them to think further. They must bring some of the research ideas in their thinking further. So if you could take up that kind of a thing in next organization of similar such program, it could be better. That's all. Thank you. Thanks all.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Professor Kulkarni, sir, for your valuable feedback. Indeed, we thought of having a panel discussion, but most of our speakers are already involved in the online teaching and other processes. Bringing them all together again in a single session, I found a little bit tedious job. But definitely, the suggestions are most welcome, sir. In future, we definitely plan for a panel discussion where we can able to provide a better solutions for the all the participants and the researcher who is involved in the FDP. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So thanks for this kind of a feedback. This is very much needed. So my further some of the suggestions would be, if these are all compiled at your end, the suggestions, the queries have been compiled by you, I believe so, so that you can now approach the respective expert and ask them to clarify, ask them to give some information, so that while you are giving us the presentation material. Hello, are you getting me?
Yes,
so
yes,
while
yes.
you are circulating the presentation material to all the participants, along with that, these queries could also be appropriately be addressed. If you could do this, it could be a great part. Because I mean to say that we in a teaching fraternity are supposed not only to bring information, we are supposed to motivate them to go further, much further. Because everywhere through internet, through Google, through many of the searches, all the information is all available to me. But no one is there to solve my problem, which is so specific to me. So if the specific problems are coming, we should be in a position to address those also. So since the specific problems have come to you, please provide this to the respective speaker. Try to get from them the typical answers to it, and see that this is given to all the participants. When you are going to give a presentation material to all the participants, this should be included too.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I hope that we are going to circulate the presentation material. Am I correct?
Yes. We are going to circulate, sir. Yeah.
Yes. So that's my suggestion. Take it in a positive way. There is nothing like a criticism. There is nothing like a criticism. You have done a wonderful work. In order to make it much better, I put up some of the inputs. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Madam Deepti Kulkarni.
Yes, sir. Sir, I am Deepti Kulkarni from Pune, Trinity Academy of Engineering, and I'm doing my PhD for last 6 months in Raisoni College, Pune itself. It was a wonderful session, sir, and heartily congratulations to the complete team who has selected such wonderful speakers. Actually, they were so much down to earth that they could open up all the research those people had done. And nowadays, if you see the research thing, which like what we are expecting as in youngsters, we need all the guidance how to go on to it, and that was been succeeded in this session, sir. I'm so lucky enough that I've selected this FDP as one of my under AICTE FDPs, and thanks a lot from my side, and freshers or youngsters who are working on the research for a very beginning part. Thank you very much for the complete team. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Ramesh from Chitradurga.
Sir, really it's a wonderful program, sir, FDP program. And Dr. Harish KS is a really good work. And is a really fantastic speech.
Yes.
Either KS also is a very good speaking. And Madhav Prasanna sir and Professor
G. Shikumar sir and Mohan sir, and especially you and Suryakant ji, they are explained very well about NI and A and CNN concept. Really, it's worth it to us. Thank you very much for this type of conducting program, and thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, Professor.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Professor Ramesh Kenchappa, sir.
Hello, sir. Is it audible, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Audible.
Yeah, good evening, Nadal present here. So sessions went very well since Monday morning till today evening. I'm really happy about the speakers, and it's well organized by the organizers, in particular Dr. Holy, introduced each and every speakers and highlighted their contributions towards research. Artificial intelligence and machine learning is one of the hot topic right now in the current today's world. So it's really highlighted very well, and we are really happy about the speakers and the organizers. I congratulate wholeheartedly for the speakers and the organizers, in particular Dr. Holi. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Dr. Padmasri, madam. Dr. Padmasri, yes, madam.
Yes, sir. Yes,
madam,
sir.
Can you speak, because can you give some feedback?
Good evening, everybody.
Yes, yes,
My
madam.
voice
Yes.
audible? First and foremost, I would like to thank the organizing team for giving me an opportunity to attend this particular FTAD. All this schedule was very, very well organized, and the speakers are very renowned speakers. I once again thank all the organizing team for arranging such a good FDP, and would like to request you to arrange still more programs of this sort and give us opportunity. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, madam. Any other participant willing to give their feedback? We have another just 5 minutes. Now, I don't want to hold the people anymore, because I understand that this FDPs, the faculty members are attending from all over India, from the different corners, and some of them may be attending from their colleges and institutes, and they need to go back there to home. We wanted to wind up at the earliest. Okay. If quickly any one or two, if they wanted to give. Okay, if no others participants or the feedbacks are left out, this is the on behalf of first of all, I thank AICTE, Atal Academy for sanctioning this faculty development program on artificial intelligence and machine learning applications in biomedical engineering to our institute and to our department. Indeed, we submitted the proposal in the month of December, and it was got selected initially for the offline program. Okay, so at that time when we received the confirmation from the Atal Academy of AICTE, so it was for the offline. But as all of you are aware that the COVID pandemic started in the month of March in severe way. So then the option was given for us in the month of May, whether the coordinators are willing to conduct this FDP in the online mode. At that time, we given acceptance, and accordingly, the AICTE has reframed their website also to organize this FDP in the online mode. Okay, and we scheduled from 21 to 25th. Accordingly, we have conducted now. Okay, so and during this process, there are a lot of inputs we got from AICT also, how to organize and other things. There will be several meetings happened to the institution head as well as to with coordinators, and many meetings have happened even on Sundays. Okay, so Saturdays, because many coordinators and the principals will be busy with the academic works, to discuss in a free time, they scheduled a meeting on Sundays. We attended the meeting on Sundays and discussed how to proceed in conducting the online, what are the modes of operations and other things. And there was a very clear-cut guidelines. Accordingly, we are able to schedule. Okay, so as per the guidelines, we need to conduct 14 sessions. Okay, so in the 5 days, including 1 or 2 sessions on stress management, universal human values, health and happiness. Okay, all those things. There it is a mandatory. Okay, that because as you know that due to this COVID pandemic, the people are more severely getting affected both mentally as well as physically. So at this moment, we also need a lot of physical strength along with the mental strength. Because of that, they insisted to have 1 or 2 sessions on this particular topics also. On that basis, we had 1 session on universal human values. That will be quite useful for the faculty members, because in the coming days, as all of you know that UHV, that universal human values, is going to be a mandatory subject for the BE students, in the BE BTech students in the 3rd semester or in the 5th semester. Okay, so I think those inputs will be useful for all of you. And another is related to the stress management, health and happiness. Probably we also received good response for those particular topics also. And with reference to the speakers, what we selected for our FDP is the very well-known academicians and researchers. Okay, some of the speakers are very well known to me, and some of the research where I work with them in academic environment as well in the research environment. And we are fortunate, the organizing committee, we are fortunate that to getting acceptance from such eminent people who accepted to deliver the invited talks on these occasions. On behalf of the institute and on behalf of Department of Electronics Instrumentation and organizing committee, and personally, I thank all the speakers, resource persons who have accepted and shared their knowledge and research ideas with all the participants. I thank all of them on this occasion. And I also thank the principals of all the colleges who have deputed or supported all the participants to register for this FDP program. I thank all the institutes who have directly or indirectly helped in sponsoring the faculty members. And more importantly, all the participants. I found that very active participation happened in this faculty development program. So it is not that we have forced you to attend the sessions, but I understand that most of you have attended with full interest in getting the knowledge and the research ideas of this particular FDP. I wholeheartedly thank all the participants who have cooperated in all manner. Particularly, when some of the FDPs, when I attended, there are a lot of technical snags and there were a lot of disturbances which we experienced. But I do, my colleagues, Pushpalata Madam, Santosh Kumar and myself, we agree that all our participants have wonderfully cooperated in smooth conduction of this particular FDP, because we didn't find any kind of disturbance on the conducting the sessions. That is one of the very good support from all the participants. And I congratulate all the participants for successfully attending and completing this FD program. Before I conclude my final words, I indeed thank my co-coordinators. my co-coordinators, Professor Dr. Santosh Kumar, he is here. I'll call him. So he is Dr. Santosh Kumar DR, Associate Professor in Electronics and Instrument Designing Department, and Srimati S.A. Pushpalata, Associate Professor, Electronics and Instrument Designing Department, who were there all the time for all the sessions and managing the whole complete sessions for all the 5 days. I indeed wholeheartedly thank both of them for supporting me in smooth conduction of this particular FDP. And also I thank all the departments of my institute and the supporting staff and the faculty members of electronics and instrumentation who have directly and indirectly supported in organizing this FDP. Before I conclude, there are some of the things which I wanted to mention here. So immediately after this session, we will be sending the one is third session attendance. I think it has been sent, I think, followed by feedback and quiz. Okay, all will be in the Google form. You have enough time. You can submit up to 7 p.m. There is no restriction on time as such now. Okay, so complete those 3 formalities. Then another important thing, there are some formalities you need to do by logging into the Atal FDP portal. Okay, I think because some of things for coordinator login, the participant login details are not visible. Okay, but we understand that there will be certain formalities you need to complete in the Atal FDP portal. Probably maybe giving the feedback about the program and coordinator, like that, some data you need to feed, I think. So I request all the participants do that without forgetting, because whatever the data you need, you must and should submit on the Atal FDP is a mandatory. Okay, without that the certificate will not be generated. Okay, so that's why the mandatory things, try to do it. If beyond that any guidance and any help is required, you can write to our email and the WhatsApp group will be active. Okay, so we open the WhatsApp group to send the participants information also, because we wanted to be interactive with you for any kind of difficulties. Okay, so and also you can send any doubts through your to my email ID or Santosh Kumar or Pushpalata email ID. We can send it, we will clarify. Okay, so and immediately after this, probably we take some time to collect all the PPTs. Majority of the PPTs of the speakers have come. So only today's session PPTs had to be collected. So we altogether, we in a single shot will send all the PPTs for all the participants through email and by WhatsApp also. Okay. With these remarks, I once again thank AICTE for giving an opportunity for our institute and department to organize this FDP. And also I thank all the speakers and I thank all the participants who have cooperated in smooth conduction of this packet development. Thank you one and all, and wish you all the best, and have a safety precautions in this pandemic situation. Take care about your health. Okay, and I wish you all the best from our institute and the organizing committee. Thank you one and all. Hello, madam.